What really matters in a proxy service? It depends on your infrastructure and goals. In this video, I'll break down the best proxy types and features for common business use cases so you can choose a service that will help you scale faster. A proxy service isn't just the traffic layer, it's part of your infrastructure. Whether you're leading engineering for a SaaS platform, scaling up data operations, or managing compliance-heavy workflows, choosing the right proxy service can be the difference between fast, reliable output and operational drag. So, how do you choose the right option? Start by defining 3 essential factors. Your use case. What's the task? Scraping, multi-account management, SEO, QA. Your infrastructure. What tooling and protocols are you using? Do you need API access, session control, or flexible rotation options? Your growth model. Are you scaling vertically with more features or horizontally with more traffic and teams? This determines what kind of reliability, support, and cost structure you need. Let's walk through the 4 main proxy types and when to use each. Residential proxies. These are best for large-scale web scraping, SEO monitoring, ad verification, localization testing. Why? Residential IPs from real users are hard to detect and rotate after each request or at a preset interval, making them great for undetectable automation. But not all residential proxy services are ideal for these critical operations. Look for a large pool of ethically sourced IPs, flexible rotation and sticky sessions, geo-targeting options, API access and customizable session control, HTTP, HTTPS and SOC 5 support, advanced features like domain allow lists, IP skipping, analytics, pre-collected datasets, team tools, and anything else that can boost your efficiency. Datacenter proxies. This type of proxies is best for high-volume, low-risk workflows like scraping public data, price tracking, SERP monitoring. Why? Datacenter IPs are fast, consistent, and affordable. You can choose from rotating, great for scale, static, dedicated, ideal for login-based workflows and session persistence. So what to look for when choosing a datacenter proxy service? 99% uptime, unlimited bandwidth, precise geo-targeting, API integration, HTTP, HTTPS, and SOC 5 support. Next, ISP proxies. These proxy servers are best for managing multiple accounts, testing websites and apps, analyzing competitors' development, monitoring SEO performance. That's because ISP proxies are hosted on data centers but registered to ISPs, combining the speed of data center proxies and the legitimacy of residential ones. What to look for when choosing ISP proxies? Dedicated IPs, unlimited bandwidth, flexible geo-targeting, high speeds and uptime, API access, HTTP, HTTPS, and SOC 5 support. And now, mobile proxies. These proxies are best for social media automation, ad verification, mobile app testing, mobile content scraping. The reason is that real mobile IPs are extremely hard to block. They are rotating by nature and come from actual mobile carriers. What to look for when choosing mobile proxy servers? 3G, 4G, 5G, LTE network support, large global IP pool, authentic mobile IPs, 99% uptime, API access, advanced features like unlimited bandwidth and sessions, customizable IP rotation, and precise geo-targeting options. Once you've found the right type for your operations, here's what to evaluate across all providers. Support and integration. Support isn't optional, it's a strategic requirement. Look for a service that offers 24/7 access to real experts and a dedicated account manager who understands your environment. From onboarding to troubleshooting, great support minimizes downtime and keeps your team focused on what matters, not chasing connectivity issues. Next, developer experience and usability. The right user experience makes complex infrastructure feel simple. Look for a clean, intuitive dashboard, transparent usage metrics, and robust documentation including SDKs and API references. These tools reduce onboarding time and speed up integration. Also, features like multi-user access, CI/CD compatibility, and built-in testing tools aren't just conveniences, they're essential for scaling usage across environments and maintaining smooth workflows. Now let's discuss plans and pricing. A proxy service should scale with your business, not limit it. Therefore, look for a service that offers transparent pricing, flexible billing, and free access to essential features like APIs and sticky IPs. Bonus points if they offer bandwidth rollover or non-expiring traffic, so you're not pressured into overpaying or wasting resources. Bulk discounts are another sign that a proxy provider is ready to grow with you, not against you. Let's not forget crucial factors like ethics, security, and compliance. They're critical for protecting your data, your users, and your reputation. A trustworthy proxy provider should offer full transparency around how IPs are sourced, with clear ethical standards in place. They should also comply with key regulations like GDPR and CCPA, verify network participants through KYC procedures, and actively monitor for threats and abuse. Now, to make things easier for you, here's a checklist you can use when evaluating any proxy service. The right proxy type for your use case. Seamless integration via API, protocols, and SDKs. Scalable and transparent pricing. 24/7 expert support and dedicated account management. Real-time visibility into performance, usage, and traffic. Secure and compliant with ethical IP sourcing. Operational tools designed for team collaboration and scale. Remember, proxy services aren't interchangeable. The right one fits your use case, integrates smoothly, supports your growth model, and strengthens your operations. So don't choose based on promises, choose based on architectural fit, transparency, and control. Not sure where to start? Talk to our team to find out how IPRoyal Proxies can support your infrastructure and help you scale with confidence. Subscribe to IPRoyal for more proxy insights, integration help, and tips that keep your workflows running smooth.